In Sri Lanka, coconut milk and spices create magic, and today we bring this magic to okra. This inspired dish in coconut milk will change the way you see it. Rich, creamy, and bursting with flavor. Come on, let me show you how. We will need just a few ingredients from the pantry. About 12 lady fingers, a stick of cinnamon, and a green chili cut in half. Half a cup of coconut milk, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, about a quarter onion sliced, half a teaspoon of salt, I'm using kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, and a quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and a little chili powder to taste. Heat up a saucepan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, and saute the onions. As the onions saute, add in the fenugreek, the chili that we split in two, and the cinnamon stick. Then we add the turmeric, and the roasted cumin powder. I then add half of my salt. Add a quarter to about half cup. Allow this to come to a boil. I'll add the balance of the salt, and now you can go ahead and add in the coconut milk. Do not cover the pot with the lid, as you want to prevent the coconut milk from curdling. So keep stirring as we go. As soon as the coconut begins to boil, add in the okra. After about a minute of cook time, turn off the stove and let the residual heat finish off the dish. And that's it. Tender, flavorful okra simmered in rich coconut milk. This dish is simple, comforting, and packed with delicious flavors. Serve with rice or enjoy it on its own. It's a must-try for any home cook. Let me know in the comments how you like to prepare okra, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time, and thanks for watching.